Hi, everyone. Today, Dia, Tio, and Figo will build a super smart mousetrap to keep our farm safe without hurting the...
Dihia, help Figo measure this wooden board.
Perfect length. Giant. Oh, Dihia, hold it tight.
Must be smooth for the mouse. Dihia. Almost there, Dihia.
Sorry, Tioe.
Huh?
The door is ready.
Stay steady, nail.
Tioe, you are not a mouse.
We need this for the trigger.
Figo is a not expert.
Don't eat it, Tio. This is for the mouse. It works.
Yes.
Keep it clean. Keep it clean, Dihia.
Figo is an artist. God bless you, Tio. Time to set the trap.
Quiet, Dihia.
Quiet, Tioe. Now we wait.
Look, Dihia.
Go on, little mouse.
We caught him! Don't be scared, little friend. Let's find you a new home.
Are you ready, Dihia? Goodbye, little mouse.
Woof, woof. Dihia, Figo thinks we should build a bigger one. For the giant rats in the field.
Safety first, Dihia.
Careful, Dihia. One, two, pull, Dihia.
Oops.
Figo is okay. This will be the strongest trap.
Sticky business, Dihia.
Good job counting, Tio.
Ready, Dihia? Here it comes.
Tioe, you caught yourself.
Almost free, Tioe.
Science is magic, Dihia. Dihia. Thank you, Tioe. Wayo.
Tioe made it extra shiny.
The mice love the cabbage, Dihia. The secret weapon, peanut butter.
Look at his tail, Dihia. Success again.
Go play in the woods, little guy. Building traps is hard work, Dihia. We need the blue bucket, Dihia. Stronger, Dihia. Spin, spin, spin.
Tioe, wait for the mouse.
You are a funny dog, Tioe. A soft landing for the mouse, Dihia.
The mice come here for the grain. He's going for the peanut butter, Dihia. Got him, softly and safely.
He likes his new bed, Dihia.
Let's make it beautiful, Dihia. Perfectly level, Dihia. Too much power, Dihia!
Figo is always a magnet man. We can see everything, Dihia.
It's just you, Tioe. Honey is very sticky, Dihia.
Thanks for the help, Tioe. We made many traps today, Dihia.
Look at these, Dihia. Ouch! Too bouncy, Dihia. Thank you, Tioe and Dihia.
Good cleaning, Dihia. Three mice at once, Dihia. 1, 2, 3. Woof! Woof! Woof!
it, Figo. Easy does it, Dihia.
The mice need to breathe, Dihia.
Everything in its place, Dihia.
Tioe is right, it's right. The kitchen is first.
Operation Mouse Rescue begins, Dihia.
Look, Dihia.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
A full house, Dihia. Ready for the big move, Dihia.
Be free, little friends.
We will.
We did a good thing, Dihia.
Next, we build a birdhouse, Dihia.
The farm is safe and happy, Dihia. Building smart traps was so much fun. Remember to be kind to all animals. If you loved our adventure, please hit the like button and subscribe for